on, Chaz?
Yeah, no big brother.
Why, you look a spot of cool out and you look nice though.
Yeah, man, I'm look nice. Look, getaway, this is me. Get away from the peace, from the whole heap of stress, is me. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Peaceful surrounding. You don't know the work stressing already and all of that, you know, so.
Yeah, I know if you
Need
work
a
already.
look spot, yeah.
But you are going.
Hmm.
I don't really want to tell you nothing for you stress out yourself and
Man, you're going to say we're a family, man. Just school, man. Anything you have to say, man, you can say it, man.
Alright, but you are going. I know it come down, with enough policemen. I know you have family, but you have police nonetheless. I know so anytime I hear certain things, the thing come down away, probably I'll kill a man and then sit there, You see me?
No, man, I don't mean that big brother, man. Just cool, man.
Alright.
On that, man.
Alright, if you say that. So let me show you what I want. You know what I know, say big brother?
Yeah.
Your woman, Kim.
Man, talk
Alright.
with you, man.
Your woman, Kim.
Yeah.
Look like say man nicking at things, dog.
My woman, you sure my woman you talk about?
Bro, you know say me no come to you with no idiot story.
So why you see make you say that? Why you see make you say that?
Brother, I see man Nick in a compromising position, brother. When I look too right, brother. Somebody just tell you, so put up on your gear, dog. I'm gonna think you right. You take care of a certain way. I'm gonna think you right if she have a man with you.
Nick. Why that Nick? Who name Nick? Who name Nick? Yeah. Tell me who name Nick.
How much Nick you know, dog? How much Nick you know? You know.
Yeah, the Rasta one. This him you talk about?
Him see man, brother. Thief in Nick when his sister thief too.
So my Kim gonna deal with him. Sure, big brother car.
Brother.
On this one hard still, you know.
Come like a joke thing. I shouldn't even tell her this guy.
No, man, no. I not disbelieve you, you know. But my woman when me have such as a loyal girl where I love and why?
Yo, not take it too serious still. Me just put you up on your guard. You're police, you can do your own little investigation and you can find out if nothing really goes so.
Nick, you know, I'm going to dig up on that little brother. I might do some more research on him now. Because him name call upon look something, you know. But you see, because them I look up some petty little thing, I to put him on practice. But seeing as you mention him now, I'm going to take a jog up him profile. I'm going to find out what really are going on.
Alright, as I say, just deal with it now, right? We are not bother the woman nothing, not do him nothing, you know. Because I don't want me feel guilty in the end, so me come tell you, and you probably all kill all the woman and something, you see me?
No, I don't know killing.
Alright, so you are going. It's a beard me will take over this still, so just go and hold it, see?
Go do your thing, man. Go on easy, man. Bless up yourself. Yo, thanks for that information, yeah, you see me?
Alright, don't say
Keep
alright.
my eye them open, man. Yes, I'll go on easy. Kim? Why Kim wanna do me that? Really, Kim? No, sir. My brother not gonna lie to me like that. Nah, go do that, you know. Don't call the boy. Don't call the boy. Call me. Don't call Kim. Kim nah do me this, man. Mad. Hello? Hey, you look a dirty girl. Hey, girl Kim, how me real here say you go on with? How we real there man place a day with Kim? Kim, imagine I give you everything in a Kim. I give you everything in a my girl. Everything in a, I give me last, you know. I really gonna give me bun. I give me bun with one thiefing boy. Kim, what kind of style is Kim? What kind of dirty style is Kim? Kim, I love you, you know. Kim, I love you. Kim, I love you, Kim. Kim, I really love you, Kim. I really do this to me. Why you not do this, Kim? Kim, really. Kim, what am I do to you in a life, Kim? Really, Kim, you ask me anything you ask me for, I'm going to give it to you. Anything you ask for, Kim. Every single thing you ask for, baby girl. I really do this. No, Kim, tell me it's a lie. Tell me, please, just tell me it's a lie. Kim, tell me it's a lie, no, Kim. Kim, say something, no. Kim, you not say nothing. Hey, girl. Hey, but tell them how wicked young people are, no, man. Give me Hey, wicked girl. Where you there? come here now. Come here now, I want to see you. Oh, girl. What a girl on the phone, man. Hey, I don't like how to get with kids. Kim, Kim, baby. How are you? Kim, come my house now, here. I'll go my house now, wait for you, baby. Come Sir James. Hello? So
Hello.
what, miss you down here, I'm calling?
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
My name is Inspector Chaz. I'm from Hunts Bay Department. I'm looking for one Mr. James. Do you happen to know where his whereabouts are, miss?
No.
But I was given concrete evidence
About
that
what?
he lives right here, so.
Which one are the James that I talk about?
Do you know any James, miss?
Which James do you want, sir? Just talk about the James that you come to.
I come to look for one Mr. James that has been going on with a lot of bad things in this neighborhood.
Which James? Which James you come about? A whole heap of people named James.
Nick James is the individual that I'm asking about.
What about him, sir?
Mr. James and I have some things we need to discuss because I've heard and gotten concrete evidence that Mr. James, Nick James, is doing a bag of racketing in this community.
So how me I go help you with that now? Cause me no know of him in no problem.
I was given concrete evidence, as I said, miss, that he lives right here. And you are sitting in the doorway of the room of this individual.
You want to go search in there? Him not there. And another year so him live. And you can't go in my house without a warrant. And number one, he's not here, as I said before. He's not here.
So you're telling me that Mr. James does not live here?
Him not live right here, so where you see me sit down.
I will educate you.
And if you don't understand the way there, he does not live here.
I will educate you on the law.
Okay.
If you are soliciting and aiding and abetting an illegal personnel inside your home and interrupting with a private investigators in ongoing investigation, you will be charged. So please think carefully what you're saying to me.
Look here, me always think first before me talk. Me just tell you one thing, him no live here.
He does not live here?
No, he only come and visit and then he leave. Him no live here. Me can make, once you show me one warrant enough, if you go in to go search, you can go in go search. I don't have a problem with that, but him no live here, so.
What is your name?
What you want to know my name, sir?
I would like to know the person to whom am I speaking.
Okay. My name is Pamela.
Pamela?
Yeah.
What is your last name?
James.
So, Pamela James. Are you related to Mr. Rick James?
I'm a cousin.
He's your cousin?
Yeah.
With the same last name?
I'm a cousin. We come from the James them family. Yeah, make it sound like it's impossible.
Never said anything, miss. I'm
I know
not
my father.
accusing you of anything.
And I know
I'm
my
just
brother.
asking. Okay.
You have any more questions, sir? Because this look like I say a quote me there.
That is it
Or
for
me
now.
do something wrong. And me you come for her and my cousin.
Here, this is what I would like you to do for me. You see, whenever Mr. James or Mr. Rick, seen as you know him as Rick, whenever Mr. Rick...
Him no name Rick. See there, a wrong yard they come for the wrong person. My cousin name Nick James. So if they look for one Rick, a wrong yard they come. That with uno police. I don't know if I who pay you can come like you want me to load up my big mouth. upon you right now. No disrespect, sir. Me need you to listen me. You see how long me I listen to you like me I want dummy? Listen to what me I say, sir. My cousin is Nick. Him no name Rick. Number one, him not there, so 1 and 2 times him come here so come visit me. Him come check me the other day if you want a little thing and him gone. Me no know when there. Me no have to know which part my cousin there.
Alright. So Miss Pamela, do you have any contact number for this Nick James?
You know, say him not have no phone.
He does not have a phone.
He not have no phone. Me can't believe say my cousin have no phone. How long me I tell him if he try to get one phone. And in that dead if he see if he can get one phone.
Pamela, you would not be trying to lie to an officer, would you?
Why would I tell you lie? Where me know you from, sir? And what me do to you? Or what you do to me for me tell you lie now? What can I
Just
say?
trying to get to the bottom of this.
Go down in my bottom. Me love stay on talk. What you say?
So you what I want you to do. You see, any time at all.
Me no know. Listen to me, sir. If I say I go send out of your mouth, say any of me end up seeing no day at all. You know, so me no know if I go see him back again. Because I know all the while me there here. Me is a busy woman. Every minute me gone. You're lucky you come to me yard go and see me. Because me did just about to make a call and leave because me have a mission to go. You know? Yeah.
Alright. Well, I thank you very much for your time. But I will say it anyways. If any at all you should see one Nick James, your cousin, have him report to the station because we are here and we need to speak to him. He needs to come give us some information, clear up some things, clear up his name.
Clear up his name. So what him could I do so?
We have him on several incidents wherein his name is being called and racketing.
So you can prove that, sir?
I never said anything. I said we just want him to come down to the station and give us his part of the story and clear his name up.
Then,
Simply that. So, whenever you see the man,
So
hear
if
from
me
him.
see
If
him-
you hear from him,
if me not go hear from him because he not no phone.
Well.
If me end up buck up on him on the road or no, where I see him, where say me fi tell him say?
just tell him say he need to come to the Hunts Bay police station and come clear him name. Simply that.
And then when me send my cousin down there, no hold on on him.
Miss, he has nothing to fear if he is not guilty of anything.
Right, and I no prove to my cousin or nothing, so I don't
We're not
understand.
charging him with anything, miss. We just simply need some
But when I look for him like I say I'm a wanted man, see there. See how you come in at me yard like you want to frighten me, to give me heart attack. Look on your side, look on your side. And I'm a cousin I look for.
I am given a service pistol to travel with me for my safety. Yes? Now, I ask that you just work with me. If any at all you see this Nick James, you just let him know so to come to the Hunts Bay police station, come have a conversation with us, clear up his name, him go on him.
Me no promise you no. Me no promise you say me I go see him. If me see him, me will deliver your message.
Alright, Miss Mama.
All right.
James, that's all I ask.
Okay, sir.
Have yourself a beautiful
So what is your name, sir?
Me? Chaz Brown.
Okay.
Corporal Chaz Brown.
No want your name, because in case you no hold on for my cousin know where you want to see him, me need to get a lawyer. Okay.
Okay. So that's okay now?
Yes,
Good?
sir. You
On the
can
same
go on.
page?
Yeah, you can go on now out
Have
of
a
my yard.
beautiful evening.
You too.
Yes, ma'am.
I wonder if that dirty foot policeman you think say me an idiot. Me a give away my brother. Eh? Me could have ever give out information for my brother make you go hold him and put him in a dirty cell. You bright? Oh, you want bright, so who send you a me yard? If I did know grow on a back for Rex and let him go me. Hey, you don't know what Rex would have do with you today. I chew me time up. Let me call my brother. You brighty? It's a dirty foot policeman. Bright. Nick, answer phone. Nick, which part of there? Me say as you come out of the yard, one policeman come in here. You them a ask for. I could never me. I tell her, say, nah, you use your head smart, my youth. You know, use it smart. You use your head foolishly. You and your friend them where you have behind you. What kind of move them they are make so much police a walk and a look for you, my youth, like you're some wanted man. Right now, the police come as you left, not even 3 minutes after you left. A policeman that come. What? Nobody with it, nobody with it, nobody with it. Don't even go there, so. That me they tell you. Because me tired for warn you. Nick, how much time if I warn you? Me have to tell all the policeman say you're my cousin. Me tell him say you no live here, so. Just to hush him up and make him tap ask me so much question about you. My youth, what you do again? Me tell you already, you know. Me tell you about the thieving thing, you know. When you want to know if you thief the right way, come to me first before you make your move them. You then leave behind me back and I do some foolishness and your friend them and you wanna feel you want name the man they talk about. He now say Nick and 2 other person, just you. You say little dirty foot police boy come tell me about me if you tell my cousins if you come down a station because they want you down there if you question you. My youth no go nowhere, you fool. Eh? You a fool? Go where? No go down there, they might hold on upon you. Don't go down there. No go down there. Where you take me now? I them the foolishness say you make police come on me here and come ask you for. Eh? Them the foolishness say you take me and make police come ask me for you. See them there. You don't know if it's thief. You're an idiot. You have to be. What? You have to be a professional thief. You can't be no petty thief with your petty friend them. Then we put you in a some little petty problem.
Oh Lord, I'm tired. Let me call, see if I get Nick's phone. My phone I go straight to voice. I don't understand. Like, what the hell? Yo, that man, sometimes I just can't bother with nobody at all. All me I try my best. Call him again. Last time. Why me I call him phone and a straight voice? I don't understand. You know me I go call my little brother because if him not the wish part him there, then something definitely wrong. See if I get all in because it's my next son, you know. From morning him all left out of the house and not even call me. But I not say a word, God. Junior, you know see Nick, I call Nick phone and I not get him. I not understand. From morning I call him and I get him. And right now I just be and say me I go see if I get I go up at the house and see if I see him. Me ask if you see Nick from morning. That's all me call you ask you know? Why the attitude? Oh shit, hold on. I get one call. That madman I call me, hold on. Me I listen what you say. What? Alright. Alright. You know me I go do. I can go panic and it's weird. I'm gonna feel like me.
Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in a crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned? Shouting so loud, but the volume of the sound's turned down. Please tell me, have you seen?
So you never see me a call the phone?
Eh?
You never see me a call the phone?
See you call my phone?
Nick.
But wait. Where you call my phone for?
What you mean that me a call the phone for, babe? What you mean that me a call the phone for?
As a matter of fact,
Me understand say you know me live and all these things because me explain to you say yes me live and blah blah blah. But what you doing here do? You don't have your man.
Question, are we not in a relationship?
How if you be in a relationship and you have your man? What kind of situation
So
that?
to how you treat me, Nick?
Wait. That not have nothing to do with it.
What you mean?
What you mean, so
What you mean? Me and my man, we're not even another 200, brother.
So because me have a conversation and we talk and we are just good friends, that means to me in our relationship, we don't want friendship, it's different. But because a man is nice to you, is a problem?
Nick, I choose you.
You can't choose me. You have your man.
Nick, my man, me don't know where
You tell me say you have your man.
Yeah, me tell us I have a man, but me don't know where him for right now.
So when there?
Right
When
now he must be at work, I don't know.
Exactly, man, at work. Are you there with me? What kind of
So
thing
you
that?
not even give me a hug, not tell you not happy to see me?
I don't want. I come and drop me a drop down. Me not say me not happy to see you. But the way you greet me, hug me on my back and all these things, come on, girl.
Oh boy.
Right now, you see me as a person with a stability me I look. See? But you already have it. Not because me might buy you one this and buy you one that. You change your whole code.
You treat me 100% better than how my husband treat me. I swear to you.
So what that mean?
Me choose you, Nick.
You can't choose me. It has gone through the gate already. It's like you sell a cow and hold on the tail. You can't do that.
So what you want me to do?
I don't know what I want you to do. What you have to do, you have to just forget about me. You don't want no problems. Right now, my life even complicated right now.
What you mean?
A lot of things going on. That me mean. You understand me I say? So don't make this thing because me, if you call me and me did it for you sometimes.
So one question, why you never answer my call?
Because I was on my phone. You know, see me did on my phone a while ago. What you want from me right now? Because I can't give it to you, I swear to you. My life complicated. And there's a lot of things going on. You understand me? I say, you don't have a relationship. Nothing can go on, mama sitter. So don't get it twisted because...
But you put me on the spot.
Put you on the
spot.
What kind of spot you talk about? A G spot you talk about?
Alright, Nick. Alright. I'm gonna just stick to my husband, try work out back stuff, and just leave it.
Exactly what you have to do. That's the best way.
Fine.
Matter of fact, where you save my number as in your phone?
What you mean? I'm save a number as in my phone?
Come see your phone. See your phone. You can't save me as honey. Suppose a man go see that no problem, you know.
Nick, what?
I don't understand this a girl after this, but...
Sir,
Yeah.
miss, you can change $5,000 for me, please?
Yeah.
$5,000. Change it for me, please, my beg you. So much. Alright. I knew 2,000 of them this.
Yeah.
Oh. 2, 3. They new money at 2,000 of this. 3, 4, 5. Thanks, here. Alright.
Alright. So we 5,000, me not see it.
What do you mean?
We left on it, we have to change, me can take up it.
Me give you 5,000.
No, me not take up it 5,000.
No, man,
girl.
look if you drop on you over
No,
there for me.
it's 5,000 job, me not take up it.
Miss, me come in here and ask if you can change $5,000 for me. You say yes. Me put it on for you and you take it up.
Me not take up it 5,000.
Looking at your
me not see it, me not
looking
take
at
up
your
it.
till or
Me not take
whatever
up
you...
it.
You know, where
Me
you
not
put
take up it.
Miss, looking at your something to put the money over there. Because me sure say me give you 5 bills. See them, let me show you. Say, look. At the $5,000 this way you give me, me not have no other
Me not
money
take
for
up it
me.
5,000. Look, if I put it back in my money, we take up
No
with the
man,
money.
see money here where you give me little
Me
while,
not
me
have
give you
it.
$5,000.
Me not have it 5,000.
Miss, me give you $5,000.
Me not have it, me not take up it.
Drop
Me
over
not
there,
drop,
look.
me not drop, me not see it, me not have it.
Miss, you have to go look for it.
Me not have it.
Me give you, me give you.
Me not have it 5,000.
Me give you, me can't. But miss, me can't go give you
But
back
me
this
not have it.
$5,000
Me not have
because
it.
you have
Me
my
not take up
5.
it.
Me give you my
Me not take up it, me not
$5,000.
have it. See them here looking at pants, see they not in there, me not have it.
Miss,
Me not have it, and it not drop.
me
See
not
there,
know what
it
you
not
do
drop.
with it then. If
Me not have it.
me not no breeze that blow through your window,
No
maybe
breeze
blow off
can
over there,
blow.
so.
Look, search the pocket could take
No man, you know in my pocket man, make you show you money way in my pocket. See that the money where you just give me, see if you $5,000 no other money no in there. How that 10?
Not heavy.
And this a 5. How that 10,000 in there?
Me not heavy, not at all. I mean not see drop or nothing. Me not heavy.
Well, me no know you have to go look over the card. See there, you know, me no see it, me no heavy. See there, you know, they know we out there so no tall, no breeze and blow out there so.
Well, if you're sure so you not have it money man.
No man, me give you it man, me put it right there so. Right there so me put it.
Look man,
And me
look
did
good
turn me
man,
back
look
so
good
me
in
no
your
know.
pocket.
Miss, you're angry money, you know, you're a shopkeeper, you know, maybe you put in your
no,
pizza,
no, me not heavy. Me not heavy. You know did it. Me not
I
heavy.
can't do nothing about it, you know, miss, but me can't
But
give
me,
back
me
this
can't,
$5,000.
me can't lose my money.
No
so.
man, and me make you lose
No,
it.
you
When
can't.
you sweep, you will find it, miss.
No, miss, me can't lose
No man,
money.
little
Watch
more
out.
man. No man, little
Woman
more
carry
man.
me money, come give me.
Earlier, text me someone. Sometimes some people just forget it, just.
Wow, look here, man. Mr. Nick James himself. What go on, sir?
What do you mean, say what I go on, sir?
Mr. Nick James, I've been looking for you, man.
Yeah, that is my name, but I don't understand. You just walk in here with gun and thing, what? Something I do up on the road, sir?
Mr. Brown, sir.
Mr. Brown?
Inspector Brown. And I have been looking for you for the longest of while.
Me?
Yes, Mr. James.
This and Nick here?
Yes, man. You have been eluding the law for the longest of while. But today is the last day you're running from me. Because see, I have you right where I want you now, man. So here what? We're going to do this the hard way or the easy way? You choose.
But choose from what, sir? I don't understand. You said choose from the hard way. I don't understand what you're here for. I am not a criminal, that's the first thing. I am not a person that's in trouble, that's the second thing. And I don't understand your visit here, that's the third thing.
This is what I get to understand with these people which are breaking the law. You know. Them act as if them bigger than the law and want to take Mr. Officer man like we are idiot. But I'll let you know, say I know everything that you're doing, you know. I know everything that you're about.
Me?
I know all what you're about. But you see, if you want some clarity, I have no problem.
Clarity?
Yeah, man, I can give you some clarity, man.
That's what you say?
I have a one question. I have a one question. What is the relationship between you and one Miss Kim?
Kim?
Yes.
What do you mean,
Don't
Kim?
me a talk, man. Just don't bother play around with the situation. Just answer me, no, man. What is the relationship?
I have no
Is
relationship.
the woman?
Hold on. So you come check me about Kim. So that is the law me a break.
No.
This is something I
man.
got serious.
See what I say? You know, always I try go on like you know smart. Now me ask you a question because me simply want to find out something. Now me ask you about a specific individual. That is just one of the things I want me to check on. My question is, what is the relationship between you and Kim? Is she a woman?
What do you mean, woman? What you talking about? Like, say, me and she a joke?
In a relationship?
Like, me and she a joke and then something there?
Yes, Mr. Boss.
No, boss. Me and she no joke, sir. So if it's that you want to find out, go find it out from somebody else. This is the wrong Nick. You understand me I say? And why you walk around and talk about law and come to me about this woman? I saw you jealous, sir? Eh?
Where you get jealousy from?
What do you mean jealousy? So you
don't
are
know
come
what
asking
you're
about woman
talking
and you come
about,
talking
you know.
about
Just
law.
simply
I
ask
understand
about
this thing.
one question.
And I said, me and she not joke.
You don't know she. Or you and she don't involve.
No, sir. So I understand. I think I need to leave in place here,
So
sir.
a false information me get then. That
You
is what
get?
you're trying to say.
So who tell them something, boss? Where you get them something from?
No, man, don't worry about it.
I no matter worry.
Don't worry about it, Mr. James. I have your pan file.
Me?
I have your pan file, man.
Boss, come out of me hand.
I have your pan file.
Boss, come out of me
You see
hand.
me? And remember,
And if you call police on you right now, that means to do.
say, your name is Nick James. You live right here, so I have your address. I also now have your phone number. So be very careful and chat lightly. Have a good day, sir.
Someone come like a joker to baseball. Man a give him bun. Eh? Are you near me Easter Bunny?
Oh, you look so. Every day they're on the phone. Phone. No problem.
So wait, how you just walk through my door?
Why bigger one?
Me no business if
Me
you
and the bigger one,
Me no
and the
business if
smallest
you're my
one.
older sister. You know me?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
play
the
the card,
mother.
yes, I know.
Time hot. Me no want to play no car park right now.
We have paid the card. Come now. Here. So, tell me what, me not just get straight to the point. What, how you look so? You see, even though you're my brother, and you know me not like you, I just not like your backside.
Me
So
not
you know
like
what
you
me I
either.
gonna tell you, say? Listen to me now. Why problem? What really want? Let me understand now. Me a bigger sister. Remember,
Alright,
say anything what at my brother and me, I gonna respond to all of this.
Alright, me tell you what, because me just want you to come out of me. You remember Dick? The best friend? You remember Dick?
Yeah, why problem?
You know what say? Police lock him up for no reason. And the amount of day him still done a station for no reason.
So how you get involved?
I don't involve me just as say. I don't like police. Police are
Hold on.
they for protect
Wait.
we.
Or you not
And
feel
they just
like
lock up
police.
people
Yes,
for
I
no
feel.
reason.
Or you not feel like police when police serve and protect.
So serve and protect what? All they want to do is full their pocket with money.
You see Nick family, all of Nick family, them mother, father, sister, all of them, the man on nobody. You see bird of a feather flock together.
So
Yeah?
what you are trying to say?
Remember me they tell her that. Anything happen to you, me I go respect. Which part of me there?
We're not afraid.
Okay. Me and bigger one, anything happen, and me I go respond to it. And me not go put myself in no problem for you. But remember me they tell her that.
Alright, whatever you say, me can take care of myself.
I last one in that me and you. You see, if me fi talk to you one next time, you go come out and love you.
That's why I'm gonna tell her that, you know. That's why I'm gonna tell her that, you know.
Go and play with your life. Yeah,
Just come out
with
of
your life. You
Just
soon
come out
let
of
me to come out of your room.
What am I? I never want to care about them. Because I don't know why. That's why I'm going to tell them my business. I didn't call lecture me.
Nick, I want to talk to you about this situation, you know.
Come with thy son, man. Come with thy son, no, man.
I can't believe you get catch my youth.
The only thing is, me I wonder who informed for me right now. Because everything when plan out, everything plan out.
Everything plan out and you get catch.
Yeah, but everything plan out, I don't know
So
if
who you plan out things with? Mine then go inform on you, my youth.
You love talking to son? Come with thy son, no, man.
A son me born in a yacht about son every minute. I want to see you.
You see, based on this intelligence, because this has the intelligence from somebody. You understand? Because I secure everything to make sure say, we can hold our food, you know. But you know what? I swear to you, when the police them hold me, guess who me I say? Junior.
I lie.
Junior see me, I go in a police car. And it become me and my brother, you know. You understand me? I say, and him feel away and thing. Because even you and me not lie,
Stop
sometimes
talking.
more.
Alright, I know what you say, no make no sense. Nick, you're my brother. You are no fool. So I don't know how you make fooler than you fool you. So when you put yourself in a problem, Nick, that's police all hold you for me. Original professional thief. Come bail you. What you think? You don't think nothing.
I wonder how you come down here.
How you come with your bag of story?
No, but...
Who send you go thief? Huh, me? Eh? Who send you go thief? Me send you go thief?
No, I know you.
Listen to me. When me, the original professional thief, send you go thief, you go thief. Once me not send you for thief, you're not supposed to thief. That's why you get catch.
But you never give me enough of the money last time you thief. You give me a little bit of money done too fast. So what me fi do?
Nick, hold on.
And me call you, hold on. Remember the day me call you in your house and me say, sister, you know, some more sort of a little thing. And you say to me, hold off, remind it for your phone.
Let me tell you something. Me and your sister, but you have to make it crowd know. Because if you put yourself in a problem, you don't want them to say...
Me and your sister, me and your brother and sister. You make it sound like I'm a girl. And that I think with you, know, make me look, but you don't know.
How style?
What you mean?
Me and you is brothers and sisters.
Well, say that then.
Right? But me no want the whole community know say we related.
What them know already?
What you mean?
What you mean?
Some people know, some no know. Who no know make it turn this up.
You see when you walk in the jail and come bail me, and then see you, a matter of fact, when me see you, me I say, oh, you for there, sir? But you say you never get catch it.
You have the heart.
You never get catch it. You never get catch it.
Why me should I get catch? Me are the original Dan Gargan thief in this area. Anywhere me go, nobody can catch me.
So
and I train me, they train you. And you not take the training when me I give you, or you fit take and disappear. You gonna take with that the youth there. I make them catch and then me have to come bail you. My youth, not tell nobody say me and your brother and sister. Who know already. 1 million times they tell you the same story. Because me no want nobody come try to style me when you put yourself in a trouble.
Well, no, you talk about Junior, listen to me now.
Me no know why you go make a move, you know. You must
Junior
know,
never
you know.
Junior never come. It's like me telling to wait for me.
Who the hell is Junior?
You know, Junior man, well, live long.
He little youth.
Yeah, with him.
They just left school, him about 17-year-old.
Yeah, with his sister were on control.
So big old man like you keep them the little youth they company.
I'm a brethren.
So you and him did stand up when the police come hold you?
When the police hold me, him a forward back with Jews because I'm sending go buy drinks.
So lucky then they would have gone with him because they have one saying say, birds of a feather flock together.
But nobody knows me.
If they went and see the people them pick me with you, then gone with him. So you better be careful and when you put Junior in a trouble, then me and him, mama and him, papa have to go in a problem sake of you. Next time when you are going to make some move, you inform me first. Let me tell you how to do it, because you don't know how to thief. You think thief a boy? Eh? Thief is big man. You have to know how to thief. So I don't know you're going to put yourself in a trouble and me have to come bail every minute. I want to tell you, my youth. Just easy yourself, man. Next time you're going to make no move, call me.
But the thing is this.
My bigger sister, you call me and inform me, I know where they go down. Say if I not me, I can set to my boys them out there so if you look out for you. Until you when you come out when you lift up any little thing.
So you have no more things are going on?
Not tell me nothing. And not ask me nothing at all.
But money done.
The
money done. I bet you still have money.
A rich people money alone stay with them for long. Once you're poor, the little money where you have, if you not try to go get back some more that have to done. Learn that. Where you have to say about that. If you have one account in the bank with $1 million and every time you go and jaw and you not put back none, you know most expect it to go done. Boy, no say nothing to me.
But for enough.
How
that's
enough?
a problem.
And my account you watch?
No, sis. No,
My account?
No, sis.
I go tell you something you don't know. The last time I go in my account is $0 in there. Because I have to issue out it to my brethren them where I make move for me more while. Me no and none. Right now, me desk, me broke.
So you have a next thing to go start out?
Yeah, man, but me roll up a big head clip first and start thinking about something else. Something else me a pray now, something bigger. No mind chopper fly.
Yeah, put
no mind chopper fly, me fly out. Me think about it, you know, because I don't like how you bait, me know how you bait me up, you know, you bait up yourself. So me know how you bait me up, you know, my brother. God know, me not tell no lie, but me don't think about it still. Because you see them, the youth, the way me I make move with, them, the friend, the way me having on a play, you know. Yo, we all turn up your phone and take off your chain off your neck and you know see, you know. Right in front of you. And them the kind of move them want you to make.
You hear one time say one youth went there one place and two girls and rub him down. And me watching two girls and rub down him man, you know. Take out his wallet, you know. How?
Remember say me your brother sister. Mind them rubbing them.
No, what you talk about? No man, not like that man. But guess what now? Me say,
I mean, in a family
me
run
see
thing, you
girl
know.
them rub him down and I
Mm.
take out him wallet, put back all him wallet in him back pocket, and he don't know nothing.
You know that me I tell you, I see if you make move.
So I say, daughter.
Oh, you mean?
All right, so you
Practice become perfect. You start thief from small until you start thief big. But if you're not smart, you'll get catch. You know what? Go on in your yard.
Sorry, that run me.
Go on. Go on, man. You know what?
All right.
Just go through there, man. Just have to put in a thief problem. Where look for me, sucker? You know me?
What you mean by know you?
Girl, you know me? Where you know me from?
Me know you. Why problem? You can't stop me from look on you.
Alright, you know me. What about that?
You see you and your dirty family them, no worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
And me and my family are address. I style
You
me and my...
and dirty Nick. You and dirty Nick, your dirty family, what on a bad breed. You.
Come here. You
And
look
you
like
want me now, you come to me. Come out and say, come to me now, brother. Why problem?
Oh, you want me to come to you? Let me come. Where you back for? Just come here, man. Maybe you know me long time.
Alright, talk what you want talk. Talk what you want talk. So, why problem?
You realize you're just right here, so?
Of course. Me never stutter with me at talk.
You still a talk. Come here. Come here. Wait.
And if I say, call that little boy or not, because I must do this.
What a girl that come before? Hello?
Hello? Which way are you?
Where else me there home?
I come up there, I don't see you. That's why I'm calling and ask you, where are you?
You could have never come up here and not see me.
Anyways, come here, because I must coincidence this. Just come to me now.
So why me? No, why me need to come downstairs? You don't come upstairs and done.
Listen to me. Come here. Argument done.
Well, can't bother with the problem though. So I feel a problem now.
You feel like me inside, so you see same thing when me I talk to you about, but you have to get yourself in a big problem.
And you can't be down here, I'm not come for no foolishness.
Me and Walker come over here and Nick dirty sister feel like say me and her. Actually, me say I hate the woman, you know? I hate her, you know?
You always hate people for no reason. You are
Me and Walker come bum business and me look on her over, I look at the bush, me don't know what she over there do.
So I look on her for.
Cause me know her.
No matter if you know somebody that go about your business.
And me I go about my business after. And she come attack me. And push her bush in my mouth, you know, brother. You know what?
So what makes she choose to put bush in your mouth?
If girl asks me if me know her, and me say yeah, me know you what. And me tell her say she and I look a dirty family.
Alright. Hear the part there? How you have go to somebody? And you and them have no argument.
Listen to
Ah,
me.
you
And when
go-
you try to come here, so with you try to defend them.
Me
And you
not
want to hear
defend
what your
them.
sister talk
But
to
you have to
say.
look for it and look why you wrong. Why you gonna go to somebody and disrespect them? You're not gonna expect them to disrespect you.
But me say, you not done yet, sir, no?
What you mean you
not
done
done
yourself?
yet, sir.
Don't bother with your
You
foolishness.
not done yet, so. You know, seriously, bitter, brother? Bushy pushing on my mouth, you know?
Alright. The part there, she should have never do that. But if you see something, leave it alone. You ever heard of hear or deaf?
You best if you move inside of me now. You best if you move inside of me.
Are you coming down there? No? Me never try to argue with you, but just to be honest with you.
It's like
She
a
should have
side
never-
you pick. You pick a side.
No, me I pick be the part
You
outside.
need to drop Nick company. I mean,
Alright,
and
see
last time
problem
me
there,
talk to you,
you want-
drop Nick company.
Yeah, try.
Nick and nobody, you know. Nick and dirty people, them and nobody, you know. I'm not going to talk to you again, you know.
Alright, you see problem this one? You want me to stop be friend with somebody.
You know
And
me
you
a
want
go
that you want to start
You know
cause
me a go
problem
do?
with
Me a go
people for
call
no
your
reason.
mother. Me a go call your mother and make you talk to her. Because come like me and your big sister, me can't talk to you. You feel like you're a man.
And you can't be there, no? And that's the funny part, you know. You want to start arguing with
You
people
ever hear
for
them
no
say
reason.
see and live with you are two different things? Alright.
Alright, you know what?
So go and pick up Nick company and think I write something here, you know.
Alright, you know what? That's why you deserve to get bushy there about, you know. That's why you have to leave people alone. You want to start arguing with people for no reason.
see
Never
if I-
expect
you see if
them
I
not
never
to do
one
something.
man, me fling all the phone in your face. Move in front of me.
Fling it on my face.
Move in front
Fling it
of
on
me.
my face. Okay. Because I don't know why you call me down for.
Feel like you're not in sense. You hold on, no?
Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in a crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned? Shouting so loud, but the volume of the sound's turned down. Please tell me, have you seen my heart out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Cause I'm sitting here thinking, lifelines blinking, losing what's left on my nerves. Calculating where should I go, yeah, but my tracking device doesn't show, no. Could it be because I didn't pay attention? I really lost my true connection when it needed just a little attention. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Memories, memories. There's all that's left from my heart. I wish I had a crystal ball, genie, a little love potion to bring back my heart back to motion. Yeah. Please take me home, somewhere out there. Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Tell me, have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Have you seen my heart? Oh, One day, yeah. One day.